neurotic disorder. Post this is also one of the neurotic disorder. Especially, you see that picture how their patient is having stress. For example, sometimes events give us post-traumatic stress, any incidents, anything like. We will see one by one today. So first one is we can see here. First one you see here. For example, you can see here that this is a post-traumatic stress disorder. This is disorder characterized by failure or to recovery for the any experience of witness or threatening events. Suppose any threaten or events, any triggers or any memories के पास कुछ भी any physical emotional reaction. This all thing post-traumatic stress disorder we saying. First symptoms may be including, for example, what are the symptoms may be include for them? Nightmares, flashback, avoidance situation, any trauma, any neglected reactive stimuli, anxiety, depressive mood. These all things for will be come for the disorder that post traumatic disorder. For example, this type of, for example, one incident I am telling, if you have any war after second world, say second world war, the first world war, for like some after war, so many people they're destroyed their family, they're losing their family, so many issues they're facing for that time. So that regarding their lifestyle, there's some they will be happening for them the issues. You see here picture nightmares, they cannot sleep, their war like you can see. So you can see here nightmares are like symptoms. This likes for you symptoms also you can see here. This type of character you can see for them. For example, if you patient, if you have anybody, you can see here. So, okay, so this type of symptoms we can see here for the patient. Nightmares, war, or any anxiety, any depression, this type of you can see. For example, their family destroyed or any rape cases, anything happen, or as childhood में कुछ violence हो गया. This all things we'll see one by one. Next, the post overview of post PTSD. For example, asking short form PTSD post traumatic reason क्या mainly witness. Suppose एक symptom के कुछ भी murder के witness के कोई भी flashback है. Otherwise, night के बस night mirrors के बस means any painful events. Night mirrors means or severe anxiety, any uncontrollable thoughts or events. This all triggering this all thing triggering and for the events that like happening, that all thing post traumatic stress disorder. For example, temporary what happened, difficult to adjust the coping for life. For example, good self अच्छा life नहीं हो गया, they cannot good life for them. The last few months or year based, they have day by they have post traumatic disorder will be affecting immediately not coming due to, for example, tsunami is there. For example, tsunami आने के बाद so many members they losing the family members. Example, and Sri Lanka war. For example, this like so many issues that we can second world war. This like so many issues there for in Japan, Hiroshima knowledge they can what affecting like so many that type of issues in happen in this world. Still, there people are still affecting for that type of issues for them. So the actually main getting effective of treatment for symptoms will be reduce this type of PST. You see what are the causes, especially what are the causes for this type of cases. For example, you first causes you see any accident for any, for example, any accident or any accidents happen for them or a car, air, for you see the picture right side. If your car or aeroplane, anything natural disaster, earthquake, for example India में earthquake हो गया. So any war like that, any violent crimes or any for kidnapping, murder, this life for example एक family में पूरा member murder करेंगे, एक child मात्र अकेले इधर. You are so many films also we can see that type of activity. So the childhood the family members in childhood neglect somebody, neglect करेंगे, family में बाहर छोड़ देंगे, sometimes miss their family due to war, anything. House suppose you see house fire हो गया, any suicide from the family. सब लोग को एक family में 4-5 members suicide attempt हो गया, उसके child है कुछ भी adolescents को what their mind setup, that all thing causes ना this like for example any accident, physical, sexual assault, anything, any abuse, any drugs like threatening. So many films you are seeing, na, childhood related. So many they're doing that type of activities for them against the children. I know to for that type of activities in the, for example, child experience. For example, loss of, for example, loss of, for example, a loss of, for example, children have the loss of for admitted intensive care unit, child experience, losing the baby or the family, for example, post traumatic stress depression. For example, mother के पास बच्चे after delivery के बाद तुरंत बच्चे die हो गया और IUD कुछ for example पे happen, that mother what type of they facing this like so many incident is that causes to PTSD. For example, 1:3 people are were severely suffering with the PTSD recording for them. Next, we'll see another one. For example, another one we can see here. For example, another one is how is the risk? How at the risk will be happen? For example, if you have had the depression, any anxiety in past, or if you do not reach such much of support in the family members or friends, any that type of incident, any trauma, like any events, that all things, any genetic factors, like or for example, mental health problem due to increase the changes of the condition. This all thing for the they will be happening for depression and anxiety. If you had depression anxiety for a long time, so chances for the PTSD that like issues will be coming. Next one is cervical mechanism. For example, flashback of many people. So what happened? How is developing this PTSD? For example, flashback. They're thinking that it's incident or even tsunami, earthquake, anything like it. So high level of adrenal secretion. Normally, हमको stress हो गया body के time, flight or flight. That is will be happening. What is mean flight or flight means? For example, हमारा body में response करेंगे harmful events. कहाँ से response करेंगे harmful events? For example, any attack threatening or survival will be happening for them. That all things will be high adrenal secretion. Normally हम stress के time पे adrenal secretion ज़्यादा हो गया हमको. For example, changes of changing in the brain. For example, brain में क्या है? One part of the brain responding memory and emotion. Our hypothalamus. The hypothalamus and what happened? Nightmares, any painful. I already told. And gradually disappearing. That all things will be happening for the. That all things will be happening for the why the PTSD will be happening. Surveillance mechanism, high adrenaline level, changing the brain. For example, that all thing PTSD will go. Next one is signs of symptoms. इसके क्या है? Anxiety. For example, if you see the picture, how much anxiety, mutilation, major depression, hyper violence, suicidal thought, nightmares, hallucination, extreme range, substance abuse. They is taking the due to family loss. They're taking, for example, illegal activities, and they're taking ganja, abin, brown sugar. You see so many picture. I don't need to explain and paranoid and dissociation, suicide behavior. This all thing you can see. And signs and symptoms, for example, you see emotion numbness. You see all this picture right side. For example, so social isolation, irritability, numbness. There for job में काम नहीं करेंगे अच्छा. This like emotional disturbance, irritability, loss of function, loss of interest नहीं है, fear है. Sometimes their family में sleeping disturbances के signs and symptoms, sadness, withdrawal mood, that all thing we can see for the losing of interest activities. For example, physically and emotionally, they have this. You can see this type of activities for patient. For example, difficult to displaying the affection. This all thing. Next one is signs and symptom. Next one is excessive and illogical irritation. For example, logical irritation. For example, aggressive behavior, violence. They're always thinking about the flashback events. They're getting the painful events for their life. That type of incident. For that best example, I told tsunami, earthquake, or war, world war, whatever, etc. Violent, destroy the family, whatever there. That for example, some places, for example, border के area पे the पूरा time daily any time war will become. Their life is always threatening, but not threatening like always life is for no safety and no harmful life. Always there when there for war will be coming like a Vietnam war. So many is there for example. So that like happen for them pre-occupation death for dying for chances. Sometimes children's faces also bedwetting, thumb shaking, physical complaints, and stomach headache. This all thing you can see further. इसके diagnosis what type of diagnosing observe the methoding and check for the level of depression. What type of level is depression? In other psychological method you can will be utilized for the gesticulation where their family member how they lost the family member like psychological events what are the happening for them performing physical action. You can see the TV so many TVs also this like interview will be doing for the type of patient. How can I help for myself? For example, tips on coping the flashback. First one is focus on your breath. Breathing के पास focus करने में already breathing exercise आपको teach कर देंगे प्राणायाम पर. For example, another day I will teach some more other. And breathing slowly you want to do for them. Next one is carry the object and remaining on the presence. For example, carry your pocket bag. Sometimes some पर्स में क्या करेंगे, वो फैमिली के फोटो रख रहे हैं, पूरा टाइम वो फैमिली देख रहे हैं. You are seeing especially 2002 one film is there. So that time that film is saying no, you see, I think everybody can see. If you not see, you can see. So world will be destroyed. What happened that film that they can explain clearly. So that time they see the family members photos always. So that type of activity I want to stop. And I repeated you are seeing same thought la, that incident will be coming. Suppose anybody unexpected death हो गया, something family में loss हो गया, family dis. Hello students, PPT देख रहे हैं आपको? Hello. Okay, they're responding. Something technical issues, I think. That's the problem. I think I don't know what happened. I don't know. Unexpectedly, suddenly closed. Okay, we can continue. So next one is looking after the physical health. For example, how can take for your physical health? For example, for think about your diet. Okay, eating regular, keeping for the blood sugar, maintain for helping for the thing for your feeling difficulty or not. So that is very important. And try to exercise daily. Want to do exercise for because of physically, mentally, your very well-being purpose. You want to do some exercise or like something. Spending the time of outside. For example, don't sitting same places, choose time to green spaces, go to garden and which enjoy. For example, stressful even keep prevent purpose. Next one is avoid the drugs and alcohol. Will be you make for the example, you can see here drugs. For example, avoiding the drugs alcohol. If you sometimes they happen, what happen, the family को सब लोग को destroyed हो गया इसके purpose के पास. For example here male है, for example they lost the husband, wife, children, like that will happen. So that family person they're drinking, for example their male person is supposed leaving na, they're taking drinking alcohol, drug abuse, physical pain, like that type of activities they're doing for them. So that all thing want to physically to stop for them, because of this is not solution for them. And proper sleeping also very important, because of now they're due to thinking always that incidents are now never proper sleeping also. So next one is treatment क्या है? First one is pharmacology treatment, another one is psychotherapy. Pharmacology means first one is give the antidepressant drugs, SSRI. So for example, post traumatic stress disorder regarding for set of from fluoxetine and serotonin, and for example Paxil, that type of drugs will be given. Tricyclade, TCL, that type of drugs will be given. For beta blockers like mood stabilizers, that type of drugs should be given for the patient. For next one is for the lithium carbonate, carbons, and benzodiazepine, anti-convulsant drugs should be given for them. Especially anti-anxiety, anti-depression drugs will be given for them. Next one is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy means what? For example, psychotherapy, counseling therapy. First, you want to give the counseling regarding to the destroyed the family. So you want to counsel tsunami, war, anything. So destroyed family, they give for counseling for them. And group therapy, for example, service man, woman, any victim person, or previously their incident regarding person, or grievance, any grief, loss regarding their every people to collect for them to give the counseling for group counseling like given for them. Group therapy will be given. You are especially in psychiatry or specialist group therapy is the exposure therapy. Exposure means flashback. They are always thinking flashback, nightmares. For example, any unpleasant dreams, their events because of night time. Suddenly get up okay from the bed. They think wow. Suddenly then stop the sleeping. They're simply sitting in the bed like so. That like incident. I show that picture. I think you can see previously that picture. So that type of incident you can see for them. For example, I will show you 1 minute. This picture is this picture. You see here nightmares, for example. That type of they hammering for the first picture. So This all things we can see for. Next one is after the treatment. Another one is for the cognitive behavior therapy (CPT). Cognitive behavior therapy. For example, cognitive behavior में negative belief. Sometimes क्या negative belief इधर mind पे उसके remove करना पड़ेगा. Traumatic stress or thinking that evidence that events recording that all things for the remove from that all things remove from the blood because of that all things for the relaxation therapy they want to give for relaxation therapy, and interpersonal relationship should be want to maintain for them, and EMDR eye movement desensation reprocessing. This is called psychotherapy treatment. This is called the traumatic memories. That memories their brain level will be happen. That also will be happen for them. Another one is uh, so next one is for them. Apart from next one is what type of treatments are available. For example, apart from instant memory based, for example, symptom reduce करने के memory के पास recurrent unwanted event. Don't think about that same memories in your mind. Flashback के बंद करना पड़ेंगे. They never think about their flashback. Nightmares, any painful events, that all thing you should be stopped regarding the memory based for them. So severe emotional physical reaction body में कुछ भी problem है, that also you want to take for them. Avoids treatment में avoid symptoms whatever you want to avoid. For example, symptoms के कम करना पड़ेंगे. Try to avoid the thinking talking about the traumatic events and avoiding the places, same places repeated visiting to problem will be happen. Any village life suppose happen, war will be happen, any incident happen. So same village again they're going the problem facing for them activities or city also example, and people's are traumatic events for negative changes for thing from our mind. Because of these people so many negative thoughts is happen, so should be removed from the mind negative thoughts or symptoms for negative changes will be happening for them. So negative thoughts may come, we want to reduce the negative thought from the this world, hopelessness about the future because of उसके future नहीं है, they think करेंगे हमको future नहीं है, like the thinking memory problem हो सकते हैं, not remembering the specific. For example, sometimes what happen difficult to maintain the close relationship because of na the relationship maintaining sometimes difficult हो that happen for them. To family के साथ attach करना पड़ेगा, feeling के sharing करना है, lack of interest sometimes their interest not working place or enjoying कुछ काम करने की interest नहीं, चुपचाप their what like simply sitting one place like much like that depression patient like they're sitting, never do involvement in any activities for them to but never participate in any activities also like because of their destroyed the family they are again singly they're thinking for the that type of event. But changes for the physical and emotional reaction, what are the changes should be happen? Easily stretched fighter, for example, easily to saturated to accept for them that events for them accept we want to change them physically and emotionally, always being guard and dangerous. Don't go for the dangerous any situation like guarding that type of event should be avoid for them. Next one is self-destructive behavior, drinking so much of to going too fast, that like of activities to think and troubling any sleeping. So you want to consult with the doctor, you want to take the medicine. Any troubling means concentration to think about. Otherwise, they have faced that issues. The concentration regarding want to given for them irritability, anger that also want to regular anger management is the I upload for you in YouTube also stress management. You can see also cyber security also uploaded for them. If you see member you see that YouTube channel. So irritability anger also for example out in terms of guilty of same like will be given. Next one is teaching you skills, for example addressing for symptoms, what is the symptoms that regarding what to teach for them and help to better yourself in this world because of this is a not large incident. So you want to because of any one person is entirely family loss what their mind set up. So they are also very severely depressed and anger will be happen because of the against any earthquake or for example tsunami or based war anything incident happen or any childhood anything happen like that all thing will be happening for them. So that like of depression anxiety alcohol drugs that type of activity should be stopped on. Complication what happen means depression anxiety chances is there. Sometimes the drinking alcohol abuse already told no because of loss of family members they happen, and eating disorder sometimes they're not proper eating due to the losing of family members like some suicidal thoughts and action will be happening for them. Nursing management what will do for them, assess the patient. First one to assess the patient situation about the flashback. The next one is physical movements. Want to assess the physical movements of patient, explore about the events, that events regarding want to assess for them. Next, the nursing diagnosis, post-traumatic symptoms related anything we want to diagnose for them. Any psychological numbness will be happen for them. Any irritability or verbalization guilty will be happening for them. You want to check for. Establish some therapeutic nurse patient relationship IPR should be maintained for them. In your syllabus also is that providing the calm and quiet and non stimulating environment for them. They want to give peaceful environment to leave the client space alone for them. And at the same time, observe the client any suicidal tendency, irritate thoughts. Because of you want to watch the careful. Sometimes they attempt for suicide chances is there because of the family loss. No, that regarding there should be happening for them. So that all things so happening for them. So next, observe the client any suicide anything and provide the situational support for the client. Family members want to support for them any that type of incidents happen. Next, this all things reference for the to further this regarding post-traumatic stress disorder. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. 1 minute, I will open and mute also. Which doubt, any students? Can you understand what is traumatic stress disorder? Understand all of you? अंडरस्टैंड सब लोग को समझ आएंगे मैं अनम्यूट करेंगे बोलो कोई नहीं पर
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
post everybody can understand what is by PTSD. Actually this is very
Yes,
important
sir.
question. Sometime exam will asking for the 5 mark question post traumatic stress disorder. Okay, maybe this year you can expect this question also. Okay, post traumatic stress disorder. I will send the notes and this PDFs also you can see. Okay,
Yes, sir.
actually
Yes, sir.
post traumatic nothing but simply I'm saying this is for the traumatic related events. For example, that war or anything triggers or threatening or blackmailing, that all thing incidents where family loss, war, tsunami, right? For example, there's like so many is there in this world. So that like lot of incidents are happening for them. That will be happening for them. Especially you can see that I put the stress management class in YouTube channel. You can see also. And one day I will, if upcoming videos, I will show another also. And one day I will conduct the test for you. Just choose the best answer. Let's you can attend for every student. No excuse for anybody. And same time, you can see for them. For example, whenever you are free times, I will teach other class, computer, statistics, research, some other classes also teach. So I think madam also teach everybody, all of you. So no problem. You can send the attendance to me. And if you this regarding this topic regarding for not only for them, this is not topic like this is our life events because of this topic is based on the our life events like true story like. So this regarding so many films you can see children के abuse करेंगे and threatening करेंगे raping चल रहे and so many cases I don't tell the names of that regarding in India still also some cases. So not only this is and apart from earthquake in Gujarat will be happening also there and in Orissa Kara for example Orissa not in Visakhapatnam Chennai and Pondicherry so many places tsunami related as I think in Yalpana with happening for them in World War Japan will be happening Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So many is there your history very studied for them post traumatic disorder. This accident this incident how much of loss for them physically mentally that people. So what are the faces issues that are all things this post traumatic stress disorder. Okay, stress disorder is different but it's post traumatic disorder because of no this is the entirely different from the that is